This one is a 1972 Smith Corona Sterling. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color combination is blue and teal. I just posted one similar to this. That's a Smith Corona Galaxy 12. The difference is this carriage is much shorter and it has a different tab function, and this one doesn't have a power space. When you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin and you hit the line space here. Skip 1, 2, or 3 spaces. To switch to double or triple, you just push this lever. But right now we're going to keep it on single. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence real quick with red. To switch to red, you just flip this down. Types very nice. This is one of my more popular machines. The print's really nice too. It's got Elite typeface, which types 12 characters per inch versus the standard Pica, which is 10. So it's got smaller print. You can fit more words on a page. To pull the page out easily, you flip this switch forward and it'll release the rollers underneath. Allows you to pull the paper out fast and load thick paper like cardstock or carbon copy. We're going to switch that back up to black. Backspace is right here on the top left. The tab function is right here. There's no tabs set. So we're going to set a tab right here and just hit that set tab. And it'll stop at that tab. You can set them anywhere on the platen. To clear it, you hit clear. And it'll go all the way to the end. It's got a touch control here, low, medium, and high, depending on how you want your resistance when you hit the keys. When you have it on low, the keys are easily, you could just barely hit it and it'll type. If you have it on high, you just got to hit them a little bit harder. It's got a carriage release on each side. And the line space function is right here. So right now it's on single, but you put it on 2, you got a double space. 3, you'll have a triple space. Open the hood. You got the spools and the key bed. Right now we have the ribbon pulling to this side because this side has all of the brand new ribbon on it. So when you hit the keys, you can see it pull to that side. Now if you want to switch the direction, you just push that lever back and it will change to this side. As you can see, it's pulling to that side now. But we want it to pull to that side, so we just push this towards you to pull to that side. And test it, it's pulling to that side. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.